The Denver 3D Printing Speed Vise 1.0. Decided to make a quick little video on this guy to show you how useful it is and show you the features of it. So what makes this vise different is we actually have a double motion action. So both jaws are moving. As you see, it's pretty quick and simple. Each turn is about 1 inch. So whether you're soldering something, just kind of need to quick clamp something down real quick, painting something, torching something, whatever you're doing, this clamp has a big jaw, about 6¼ inches, features a twin screw screwing mechanism, which is kind of nifty. Just really a good little clamp for whatever you're doing. Thanks for watching.